Hello, bloggers! If you're running a Blogger site with a custom domain and wondering how to get your posts indexed faster by Google, then submitting your sitemap is essential for better SEO and visibility. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process in the simplest way possible. First, head over to your Blogger dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Settings, then scroll down to the Crawlers and Indexing section. Here, you'll see some toggle options. Turn off both these custom robot settings because we'll use the default Blogger-generated robots.txt file instead. Now, open a new tab and visit your website. Add robots.txt at the end of your web address. This is the default robots file automatically created by Blogger. Here, you'll see a line that begins with the word sitemap. Just copy that entire sitemap URL. Next, go back to Google Search Console. From the list of properties, select your site. Then click on Sitemaps in the left-hand menu. In the field that says Add a new sitemap, paste the sitemap URL you just copied from your robots.txt file. Click Submit. That's it. You'll now see a message confirming that your sitemap has been submitted successfully. This is the default Blogger sitemap, and it's usually enough to help Google discover and index all your blog posts automatically. Give it a few days for Google to crawl and index your content. But with this setup, your Blogger site is now much more search engine friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with someone who's starting their blogging journey. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Happy blogging!